Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a door handle on your vehicle. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a Torx bit set, and a trim removal tool. Having your new door handle ready is also crucial. We will go through each step carefully, making this a straightforward repair for anyone. This process typically takes about 30 to 45 minutes. To begin, gently pry off the interior door panel using a plastic trim removal tool to avoid damage. You will likely find several screws, often Phillips head or Torx, securing the panel. Once the panel is loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for window switches or door locks. Then, reach inside to detach the 2 or 3 rods or cables from the old handle mechanism. Finally, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the handle itself. Now, take your new door handle and carefully slide it into the exterior opening. Align the mounting holes and secure it with the 2 or 3 screws or bolts you removed earlier. Next, reattach the 2 or 3 door rods or cables to the new handle's levers. Listen for a click or feel for a secure connection to confirm they are properly seated. Double-check that everything feels snug and correctly aligned before proceeding. With the new handle installed, reconnect all electrical connectors to your interior door panel. Carefully align the panel and push it firmly into place, ensuring all clips snap securely. Reinstall any screws or trim pieces you removed. Before closing everything up, test the new door handle several times from both the inside and outside. Also, confirm that your power windows and door locks are working perfectly. This ensures a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.